Jog Vlog.
I think I figured this shit out before the internet here. You see, chicken coops, these chicken farms where the chickens don't have much of a life, that might be a better situation for us humans than free-range birds. Here's why. It takes one sickly contaminated bird going into a free-range farm and doing something. Dying there, biting a bird, what have you. And all of a sudden, massive influenza breaks out. We gotta put down 70,000 chickens, and the people are getting sick left and right, dying. Bird flu, whatever you want to call it. This is how mad cow disease type shit goes down. But if they're isolated, if they're in their pens and they can't move, they can't bite you, they can't get infections from various things, it's safer for those consuming it. And let's be realistic here, their whole life is about us eating them.
Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Vaughan Jog Vlog is made possible by your support on Patreon. Patreon.com/Vaughan Fry. Because fuck Google.